Hello everyone, Alex is here. When I was working on a project to compare over 10 different Bluetooth speakers, I noticed that the Sony SRS XE200 has 30% sale on it, which is surprising considering that the speaker is new, and it's uncommon from Sony to do around 30% sales on their new speakers. So my thought is, if the Sony XE200 is any good, it will be a great time to do the purchase. So let's find out. Inside the box you will find the typical things like USB-C cable, some manuals, and of course the speaker itself. I have the blue color here, which may be not the greatest looking, but definitely a unique one. It's also available in black, silver, and orange. It has a penta shape, made of a dust magnet rubber on most of the body, which begs the question of how long the speaker is gonna maintain a clean look, and mesh design on the front where sound comes from. On the side you will find the control buttons, holding strap and USB-C on the back that can be used only for charging the speaker. In addition, it's capable of fast charging, so 10 minutes will give you around an hour of listening. It's really nice seeing companies implementing fast charging on their speakers after being there in all phones since forever. And of course, this body has IP67 water and dust resistant. When it comes to connectivity, this speaker has Bluetooth 5.2 with a range of 240 meters. Of course, you're not gonna have that in real life situation, because these 240 meters are measured in perfect conditions. Good thing though that you can connect multiple devices at the same time. However, there is no 3.5mm jack on this speaker. Am I the only person left who actually care about wired audio? When it comes to battery life, the Sony XE200 is not bad, nor impressive, with 16 hours on 50% stamina mode and 10 hours full performance. Now moving to the sound quality. This speaker on paper is a beast. It has dual woofers on the front and dual passive radiators on the top and bottom, covered under the rubber, so the speaker can stand vertically. It also has a microphone to receive phone calls that works just fine. Also, it supports SBC, ACC, and LDAC codecs. So let's see if these numbers are translated well in real test. I will compare it to the Bose SoundLink Flex since it has the same price and abilities, and I will give you my opinion after. Make sure to use a good pair of headphones for more accurate results.
Here we are, we locked down in different cities, and our virtual connection falls apart. Guess it's been too many years since California. Now the memories of us is all I have. See, one day I'm gonna reach ya, take a plane for many miles. We pretend that time didn't pass us by when we're on Mulholland Drive. I know it won't be long before dawn, gotta be patient for a while. Someday we'll look at stars in distant sky when I'm on the other side. Take me back to the life that we once knew, when the walls weren't closing in like they are now. Cause it's been too many years since California. I wish I could get there, I don't know how. See, one day I'm gonna reach ya, take a plane for many miles. We pretend that time didn't pass us by when we're on Mulholland Drive. I know it won't be long before dawn, gotta be patient for a while. Someday we'll look at stars in the same sky when I'm on the other side. Oh.
I don't know if it's obvious from the test, but the Sony XE200 is not a good speaker. First, the mids are really bad and the sound is not loud, even compared to the SoundLink Flex, which is not a loudspeaker in the first place. Even the bass is not the best by any means. Compared to the Flip 6, it looks like a toy. The JBL is louder and more balanced. Make sure to subscribe to my channel to see the coming comparison between the most popular portable speakers. Something I should mention though, that this speaker can be paired with all Sony speakers that has Sony Connect, but if it's older generation, you can't perform a stereo signals. So you're stuck with party mode, which is still fine compared to the others that only allow the connection on the same generation only. Another good touch from Sony is the ability to change the equalizer using the app, while some companies still don't allow that, such as Bose. Now, do I recommend getting this speaker? The answer is simply no. I don't recommend it. For the same price you can go and buy the JBL Charge 5 when it's on sale, or even the monster LG PL7 that retails only 150 Canadian dollars with triple the output. The only reason I would recommend the Sony XE200 if you already have another Sony speakers that can pair with it. That's all for today. Make sure to subscribe to watch the comparison between over 10 portable speakers to see which one will sit on the throne. And see you guys next time.